If you want to get camera control, so remote shutter on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and Ultra 2, it's very easy. So first, by default, you already have on your watch installed this system control. That is, if you are connected to a Samsung phone. So if you have Samsung phone, you will see you have this already installed. So if you click it, as it kind of automatically opens up my camera now on the Samsung phone, and I can, for example, like take a picture here. So by default it's timed. You can also remove the timer. So you see, you can then, for example, take picture, and also you can switch to video recording here. So you can pause video, resume it, and also end. So this is absolutely brilliant. However, yeah, if you do not have it paired with Samsung phone, then most probably you simply need to go in the Play Store. And in the Play Store, we simply search for camera remote. Okay, so let's click search. And then let's see, we have different camera remote controls, additional ones that you can install. I see we literally have like at least like 5 or 6 different apps that you can choose from, and see most of them are totally free as well. I see literally we even have Blackmagic camera remote control here as well, and also for Google Pixel phones as well. For example, if you install and want to use it with a Pixel phone, then definitely make sure to download this. So simply click install, it will get downloaded, and place it somewhere in your apps list. But if you have paired with your Samsung phone, you do not need to download anything. In this app list you will find this camera here. Good luck.